Sound familiar? You install a library in the terminal. It says, success. But as soon as you open Pycharm and run your code, you get no module named. Most beginners panic and reinstall packages over and over, thinking Pycharm is broken. But it's not the software, and it's not your code. This is the most common pitfall in Python development: mismatched environments. Here's why. You almost certainly have multiple Python versions on your machine. Worst of all, Pycharm creates a fresh virtual environment every time you start a new project. It's like buying furniture for your main system, but Pycharm locks you in an empty new room with no connection. No matter how much you install in the terminal, Pycharm can't see any of it. If you don't fix this, you'll run into the same issue with Pandas, PyTorch, and every other package. Most online guides tell you to mess with path variables or install packages directly inside Pycharm. Messy, confusing, and still causes version conflicts. The real permanent solution: unify your environment. For all my projects, I use ServBay to manage the entire setup. It forces both the terminal and Pycharm to use the exact same Python environment. It only takes 3 steps for Pycharm. Step 1. Open ServBay and install your desired Python version. Step 2. Open Pycharm settings. Preferences on Mac. Go to Python interpreter. Click the gear icon add gives. Make sure you select existing environment. Step 3. Select the Python path you just installed with ServBay. Then confirm. Just like that. All your installed packages show up instantly, and the red errors disappear. Now, Pycharm is fully connected to the same environment as your terminal. Whatever you install in the terminal is immediately available in Pycharm. No more virtual environment chaos. No more broken paths. Let the tool handle the environment so you can focus on writing code. That's the real shortcut for learning Python. Give ServBay a try. It'll save you so much frustration.